Hello everyone, it's Donna. I just wanted to do a quick entry into the March 3rd Amaya Raine Challenge, where it's dress any rainbow high doll or any doll actually that you have in either gold or rainbow. I chose gold. Um, couldn't find the fabric that I initially wanted, and I had some gold lame, and I'm like, well, it's almost swimsuit season. So the Maya on the right, she has on gold lame, kind of like booty shorts here. Let me see if I can turn around a little bit. They fit really, really nice to her. And then a little tube top that's cinched in the front. It's tied with a just a gold lame piece of fabric to cinch it down, to give her a little two-piece swimsuit for the warmer weather. Um, and then the one on the back is just in a little rose gown that I made. She's going to be getting an overdress for it as soon as I determine which fabric that I want to use. But anyway, I just wanted to submit a video as part of the collaboration between Marna at Dolls Rescued and Dorrie at Dorrie's Dollies. They organized this collaboration. It's for the 3rd of every month, and this month was either gold or rainbow. So this is my entry into the collaboration, and I can't wait to see what next month brings. Until then, see you later.